There have been a couple of changes to structural standards, being AS NZS 1170.2 and NZS 1170.5. Now, 1170.2 has had Amendment 4. This has been amended due to experience from severe wind events in Australia and New Zealand and has been upgraded. The main areas that have changed are effects involving internal pressures, holes and perforations in the building envelope, wind-borne debris, impact loading and testing. This was previously well covered by the Australians and cyclone requirements, but maybe not so much in 1170.2. And then to the terrain category, TC3, dense forests has been added to that for the effects on the terrain and the wind going over it, which is probably about time. And changes to peak crosswind acceleration formula in Appendix G 3.2. The general effect on Masterspec sections is very little. However, the other thing we have done, we've adopted this amendment, Amendment 4, because which makes it an alternative solution to B1, VM1. Now, we've adopted because for health and safety reasons and liability reasons, we view that you just wouldn't ignore Amendment 4, and we've adopted it, and we would expect everybody else to adopt it. There's a huge amount of changes for this, some of them large, some of them small. Obviously, we recommend that you go through it if it affects you and have a look at all the changes. We can highlight some, and the same for that for part 2 as well. So some of the highlights are Section 7, earthquake-induced deflections, has quite a few changes, but particularly to do with horizontal deflection. Section 6, structural analysis, has quite a large number of new and changed items. Section 3, site hazard spectra, there's a lot of changes, particularly note the changes to Figure 3.3 and 3.4. Section 4, structural characteristics, a lot of changes, but particularly the addition of 4.5.3 ratcheting. Section parts and components, particularly support on ledges has been added, and no changes to Table 8.1. Section 5, design earthquake actions, diaphragms have been added, and some changes to horizontal design action equations. Appendix A, which is definitions, there are quite a few new added definitions and alterations to definitions. In particular, the Canterbury earthquake region has been added, and ULS has been amended. So have a look at those. Appendix B, being notations, has substantial number of new notations added, and you probably should make yourself familiar with those if you need to. But 1170.5 amendment, rather like 1170.2, again, Masterspec tend to refer to the whole document as a requirement and not very often to particular parts. So the changes that have been required are only a few, and so we have updated for that. We've adopted the standard for health and safety reasons again. It is an alternative solution to B1 VM1, but we believe for health and safety reasons it's necessary.